Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome if you are new. In this vlog I am cleaning my parents' house. At her house I like to start in her bathroom. I do just clean her toilet and her sink and then her mirrors and also her floor. I did not clean her shower on this day just because she had just cleaned it. And also I will be doing just a speed cleaning. It's not a deep clean. I will probably do a deep clean later if y'all enjoyed this video. So just give it a thumbs up and comment below if you are enjoying. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you as part of our YouTube family and to join us on this journey. I'm using Mr. Clean in here. And on her toilet I did just use Clorox cleanup wipes to wipe the outside, and then I used the rag and Mr. Clean to clean the inside of it. And I do not show you, but right after I cleaned the inside of the toilet I did do what I do at home and put the rags in the washing machine to be washed, and also wash my hands. That was off camera. And here I am cleaning her sink. You will see if you watch to the very end, I actually stopped up her sink because the stopper would not come out. So stay tuned and keep watching if you want to watch where I could not get the stopper to come up.
But I'm pretending it's not my fault. No, no, no. The way you make glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, nah, nah. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh. Around me like a borderline, our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good.
This is their bedroom, my parents' bedroom. They have an older home, which if you notice they have the big thick baseboard, which I love. They have that. The original baseboard is in their bedroom, their dining room, their living room, and their guest bedroom. And they also have the original hardwood flooring in their bedroom, the dining room, and the living room as well. I do clean everywhere but their guest room because they were in the middle of painting and she did not want me to clean in there, so I will do that a different day.
Isn't it strange the way that I look at you? Can't turn away all the things that you make me do. Waiting for a sign, still just hanging around.
She was actually in the living room when I was cleaning, so we were having a conversation. So if you're wondering who I was talking to, that's who I was talking to, is my mom.
What's worth it all when you said that you like me too? Waited for a sign, now we're hanging around. So very strange that we could make one from two. 'Cause I'm waiting, hesitating. There's a feeling so revealing when I look at you. When I look at you.
And if you can tell by my mom's decor, she loves chickens and roosters.
'Cause I'm waiting, hesitating. When I look at you. There's a feeling so revealing when I look at you.
Days move on like all the time. And my eyes
That is a Dyson vacuum cleaner, and just in my opinion, I would not recommend it. It is not one of my favorite vacuum cleaners that I've used, and I have used plenty. And this one, I just do not feel like it actually cleans well or grabs up the dirt and dust or whatever is in your on your floors or in your carpet. I do not feel like it gets it up that great. So if you're wondering if you should buy it, I would not recommend it.
my head stops to reason. So please help me understand. You wanna stay with me now. You wanna stay with me now. Days move on like all the time. And this gray sky breaks my mood every morning. Then you come around, spin my world upside down. Taught me how to fly higher, higher. Won't you spin me all around again? 'Cause when you spin me all around, I can't stop the feeling, and it's true, I'm in paradise. It's hard to believe it, 'cause when you spin me all around, my head stops to reason. So please help me understand. You wanna stay with me now. Spin me all around, I can't stop the feeling, and it's true, I'm in paradise. It's hard to believe it, 'cause when you spin me all around, my head stops to reason. So please help me understand. You wanna stay with me now.
And now that I have vacuumed everywhere, I will be mopping, and I do recommend this mop. I really like it, especially for hardwood floors, because you don't want your mop or whatever you're mopping with to be super wet, and this you can wring it out really well because of the spin. I don't know what you would call it, but when you put it in the little spinner thing, it can get it really dry where it's not soaking wet, and it can make your floors, it cleans your floors really well. So I do recommend this mop.
But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again.
And this is the final product, or this is what it looks like after it's been all cleaned. I did, like I said, I only dusted a little bit and vacuumed and mopped, and of course I cleaned her toilet and her sink. It was not dirty, so it didn't need a whole lot, so I had assessed everything prior to cleaning it just to see what needed to be cleaned and what didn't, and that's all that needed to be cleaned. I did not clean her kitchen counters or anything like that because she had just cleaned them right after we had had lunch, and that's when I started to clean, was right after we had ate. So that's it. I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the vlog here. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up and comment below. And thank you to our subscribers. We greatly appreciate y'all, and thank you so much for commenting. I love being able to interact with y'all, so keep them coming. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you as part of our YouTube family and to come along with us on this journey. And as always, we'll see you in the next one. Mom, I messed up your sink. I pushed the stopper in and now it won't come out.